Okay, today we are working through lesson 59, and it is about subtracting a fraction from 1, which you kind of, sort of have already done. And some of your problems you've had, for example, and I kind of pointed them out because I knew this lesson was coming up today. But in your problem yesterday, or in your homework yesterday, you had a problem that said 5/5 minus 1/5. Okay, and I asked you, what does 5/5 actually equal? And you said 1. You've already been practicing, whether you realize it or not, subtracting a fraction from 1. It's just represented as a fraction, number over a number that equals 1 whole. So that's what we're going to be working on today. So, yes, kind of what we're doing today. Okay, since 4/4, I want you to look at these 4 examples of fractions up here. Since 4/4 is equal to 1, what would 5/4 equal? Okay, look at my 4/4 right here. If I have 5/4, I know 4/4 is equal to 1. If I have 5/4, what does that equal? Luke? 10?
Also a
1 and 1/4, because if this one right here is 1 whole, but then I take another circle and divide it into fourths, okay? So 1 whole thing is representing 4/4. 4 out of 4 pieces are shaded. But if I then have 5 out of 4 pieces, that's going to equal 1 and 1/4 of another part. Does everybody understand how that works? So 4/4 is equal to 1, but 5/4, like Luke said, is equal to 1 and 1/4. Okay, what if I said 5/3? Looking at this picture, how much would 5/3 equal? Grace? 1 and 2/3. 3/3 is equal to 1, but if I did this again and I shaded 2 of those 3, I have 2/3 left over. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/3. This is 1 whole, and then I have 2/3 left over. Look at a problem. For a Saturday night snack, ooh, this is what I want for a snack. Bailey and her friends cooked 2 identical pizzas. 2 identical pieces. Bailey ate 1/4 of 1 pizza. Okay, this is Bailey right here. She ate 1/4 of 1 pizza. And her friends ate 3/4 of the other pizza. What amount of pizza was eaten? 1 whole piece. Or 1 whole pizza, I should say. I know. Why didn't they just eat the same thing? Maybe she's picky and she only wanted cheese and her friends wanted meat lovers. So
I love meat lovers.
they ate 3/4 of meat lovers, but Bailey only likes cheese, so she ate 4 of the cheese. So now, how much cheese? If this is cheese, how much cheese is left?
3/4. That's what I like.
How much meat lovers is left?
Yummy.
How much total pizza is left?
1
whole pizza. Oh, y'all are so smart.
I want to meet lovers right now.
Okay, 4 and 3/3. We're comparing. I'm going to wait till you're done. 3, 2, 1. We're comparing 4 and 3/3 first. Look at that fraction attached to the 4. What is it? Somebody tell me. It's a whole. So if I have 4 plus a whole, that makes 5. And what is 5 compared to 5? Equal. One morning during summer vacation, Mason spent 1.5 hours cleaning out the garage. His sister Alyssa spent 1.5 hours doing yard work. How many hours did they work that morning all together?
Too much.
Let's look at our whole numbers first. They each worked 1 whole hour plus a little extra. So that's 2 whole hours. But then Mason worked half of an hour and Alyssa worked an extra half of an hour. So together the 1/2s make up another what? Hour. So all together they worked 3 hours. How are y'all feeling about this so far? I'm in a room with a bunch of geniuses. Okay. Jason baked a blueberry pie. After dinner, he and his family ate a third of that pie for dessert. What fraction of the pie was not eaten? Pictures are awesome. Okay, pictures help a ton. So he and his family ate a third of the pie. What fraction of the pie was not eaten? 2/3.
Too much was not eaten.
Are there any questions?
So 2/3
That's pretty much our lesson today.
I have a question.
Yeah, Sammy.
Can I go there and give Jason a beating?
Give him a beating. Does he need to eat some more?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Your assignment today, very short lesson. Y'all are doing great. Now, if you need more or if you need help, Colton, put it away. If you need help, come see me. I'm happy to help. If you felt like that went too fast and you get to a question and you have no idea what to do or you just want to make sure you're doing it right, come see me. Your lesson starts on page 408. Make sure you're doing 50